she doing? I never know what she's doing back there.
I decided to upcycle these side tables that I actually use and turn them from this to this. So stick around if you want to see how I did it. So here's the before. My husband had these built up from scratch when we first got married and have used them since. They are made of chipboard with wood varnish on top. And I want you to see the bubbles on the surface, just how bad that situation is.
Bruh.
It's laminated.
So let's get to work. First up, I got rid of the hardware and propped the drawers face up. And then got to work cleaning, inside and out. And then I got my wood filler out and filled in the holes left by the handles, as I planned to put new hardware in new places. And I also filled in this chipped surface on the side. Now to fix those bubbles. Guys, it's very complicated. Oh, I'm just kidding. All you need is your electric sander with 80 grit sandpaper and a lot of anger at someone, and just sand those bad boys down until you can feel a smooth surface with your hand. It really is that simple.
Common sense, common sense.
So here you can appreciate how well that sander worked, and those bubbles are all gone. And if I run my hand over it, it feels totally smooth.
Smooth.
And as usual, protect yourself even if you're outside, and this is the respirator I use. So this is corrugated cardboard paper that I decided to use to put some texture on the drawers, and as you will see, I don't recommend doing this. I measured it out, cut it, and stuck it onto the drawers using super glue.
What on earth?
Yeah, I know. As I got to the last drawer, I put some glue even on the door itself. So I took antique white with a drop of vanilla white, which has a yellow tint to it, and started painting. It's always preferred to scuff sand and clean between coats. As I was doing the sides, I felt that the varnish surface was really smooth and the paint wasn't adhering very well, so I decided to mix some primer in the paint. And as you see here, the result was a whole lot better. It still needed 3 coats of paint for total coverage. Have you ever wished life was sometimes better like this?
Don't you wish?
Now here's where I freaked out.
We have a problem.
So I started painting the doors, and soon enough, the paper started to warp. As you know, chalk paint is water-based, and chalk paint plus water plus paper, warping.
Oh no, it's totally warping.
Anyway, I soldiered on, not knowing what would happen next. I tried treating the card to pouring medium, and I also put weight on the cardboard as it dried. It actually dried straight, but I would recommend you to use something solid, like a placemat like this. Moving on to the inside of the drawers, I first painted them white roughly. Here, I mutated into a hairy beast. Just kidding, that was my husband who decided to chip in. He figured if he did the inside, no one would judge him if he messed up. Men are smart. As the last step, I measured and cut out 4 pieces of scrap fabric. Ironed it, and then I clear coated the base of the drawers and stuck the fabric on top. And it was done. I'll leave you with some aftershots, and if you liked what you saw, please leave a like and subscribe.